that's a different
Oh,
song.
these good ones are action shit, not bags.
Hit your ass on the wall with your two left feet.
I wouldn't do
It's
the
real
bags.
easy, just follow the beat. Don't let that fire girl pass you by. Look real close, cause strobe lights
He's dead.
Huh?
This guy's
Let's
dead.
get it started.
Which one?
This guy is singing right now.
Oh, is he? What's his name?
Nate Dogg.
Who?
Nate Dogg.
Oh.
They got retarded. Some girls are body. I'm looking for a girl that will do whatever the fuck I say. Every day she be giving it up. Shake that ass for me. Shake that ass for me. Come on, girl, shake that.
This is good, but I'm gonna see. I've just listened to this number one now for. Now I've listened. I think that's the third time it's played. Fuck me. Just a crew.
It's been a ride.
And I'm sick of that song too. I like this though. This is good.
Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about.
Should I turn up this street?
Relationship.
Nope.
Yeah, these streets are not that good, man. Isn't this fucking crazy? Look at it.
I'll
Yeah,
bet you
down here
did.
is crazy.
It is.
Who's your daddy?
Daddy, what are you doing? Okay, then. Everybody, listen up.
I'm going to hell. Who's coming with me?
Somebody, please help me. I think my dad's gone crazy.
I love that.
There's no mountain I can't climb. There's no tower too high. No plane that I can't learn how to fly. What do I gotta do to get through to you to show you there ain't nothing I can't take this chainsaw to? Fucking brains growing in brass balls. I cut them off. They got them pickled and bruised in a glass jar inside of a hall with my framed autograph. Sunglasses
nice,
with Elton John's name on my drag wall. I'm out the closet. I've been lying my ass off all this time. Me and Dre been fucking with hats off. Tell Laura and her husband to back off. Go up, push this motherfucking button and blast off and launch one of these Russians and that's off. Blow every fucking thing except Afghanistan on the map off. When will it stop? When will I knock the crap off? Haley, tell him, baby.
My dad's what?
There's really nothing else to say.
I want to go to Timmy's, do I? I just want to get a coffee because I haven't been able to afford a coffee all night. And I usually get one in the morning. And I go to the, if I can go do my sun gazing, which I got to. Surprisingly enough, I thought it was going to be blue skies today. For fuck's sakes, man, it's coming in crazy. This is pretty crude stuff, actually. If I didn't like this when I was younger, like it's not like I'm really into a lot of what he says. I just like the music, right? And yeah, like the lyrics, they don't bother me because I don't take them that seriously, right? Like